Eicher and Maruti, they are surging in trade after bullish brokerage commentary coming in from CLSA. Sonia is joining us now with all the details. Sonia.
Well, thanks a lot for that. As you rightly pointed out, it's a big day for the auto sector as a lot of the key nifty auto companies are doing pretty well. Let's start off with Eicher Motors, which is the biggest nifty gainer as we speak, up almost about 4%. This after UBS has upgraded Eicher Motors to a buy from a neutral. They've raised their target price to 5,000 rupees on the stock and they forecast an 18% EBITDA compounded growth rate between FY24 and 26. They talk about how the backdrop is favorable both for the export market as well as in the domestic market. The Eicher stock is also trading at a steep discount to many of its peers. It's trading at a 17% discount to the two-wheeler peers, and particularly on if you compare it to, say, a Bajaj Auto, it's trading at a 20% discount. They also talk about how the launch by competitors recently, whether it's Harley-Davidson or Triumph, has not been able to scale up substantially, and hence that fear is now out of the way. This is the start of a multi-year upgrade cycle amongst customers, is what UBS says. Let's also talk about Maruti, which has hit a fresh record high today. The stock is up 15% in 2024 already. CLSA put out an interesting note where they say demand for CNG passenger vehicles has gone up substantially, and Maruti and Tata Motors are the big beneficiaries of the rise in the share of CNG vehicles. The market share of CNG passenger vehicles currently is 15% in FY24. That is expected to rise to 22% by FY30. And the reason for that is the lower running costs in CNG vehicles compared to ICE engine vehicles. Maruti Suzuki has the largest market share in this space with 72% share, and hence they could be the big beneficiaries of that. Could be one of the reasons why Maruti is at a record high today. Back to you.
All right, Sonia, those two stocks doing extremely well in today's trading session. We also have ITC.